guys, Saf here on Super Saf TV, and this is the Honor 70. It's priced very competitively, and I partnered with Honor to get you some very early coverage. Thumbs up for your boy would be appreciated. Let's go ahead, get it unboxed, and see what it has to offer. So inside the box, as well as the device, you do get a SIM card tool. You also get a clear case, which is included out of the box, a USB Type-C to USB Type-A cable, and something which we don't have included with many devices these days, a charger, and this is a 66 watt fast charger. And here it is, the Honor 70. We've got a symmetrical design with curves that go on the back and are also mirrored on the front display. And the Honor 70 comes in 4 colors, a midnight black, an emerald green, an Icelandic forest, as well as a crystal silver. We've got this really cool two-tone finish at the back, so it will change colors as the light hits it. And what I like most about the Honor 70 is just how compact it is. So it's under 8 millimeters thin, and it weighs just around 178 grams. And that's impressive considering the large screen size. So we have a 6.67 inch OLED display, and because of the curves, it kind of melts into the sides. We've got a punch out, a high screen to body ratio, over 1 billion colors, HDR10 plus supported, DCI-P 100%. And most importantly, this has a 120 Hz refresh rate, meaning everything feels very, very smooth. Now with a starting price of just around £480, this is one of the best displays you're going to get in this price range. Now I mentioned the punch out. This has a 32 megapixel selfie camera, which is going to give you plenty of resolution for those selfies. But I really want to talk about these rear facing cameras. So you can see that we've got the dual ring design, and we essentially have 2 primary cameras on here. One is of course the primary wide angle camera, but then we also have a high resolution ultra wide camera and a depth sensor. So the primary camera is a 54 megapixel super sensing camera. It's got a wide f1.9 aperture, and it's actually one of the first devices in the world with the IMX800 image sensor. Now this will of course help towards low light photography, but also allow you to get 4K video. Now the ultra wide camera is actually a 50 megapixel camera with an f2.2 aperture. Ultra wide cameras on smartphones usually have a low resolution, but we've actually got up to 50 megapixels here, which is going to give you really nice ultra wide images. But my favorite thing about the ultra wide camera is that it does have autofocus, and that means you're going to be able to refocus down to around 2.5 centimeters for amazing high resolution macro shots. You can see some examples here. You're going to be able to get lots and lots of detail, and these actually make some great wallpapers. Now Honor has included some new software features to make the most of these cameras. One is the solo cut mode. Now this uses AI for person autofocus tracking technology to track an individual within a group. And with dual video streaming, you're going to be able to simultaneously have 2 separate videos, one with, say, the group, and one video where just that one individual is being tracked. I'm looking forward to testing this out. Currently, it's just me, so I need to find some more people. Right now, to be able to process 2 streams of video at the same time, of course, you do need a powerful chipset. And this is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G Plus chipset. This is a very capable chipset at this price. You also get 8 gigabytes of RAM, and the Honor 70 is available in either 128 or 256 gigabyte storage options. Now, before we talk about pricing and software, let's talk about the battery. Now, despite its very compact size, the Honor 70 does have a large 4,800 milliamp hour battery, which will keep you going all day long. And don't forget, you do get the 66 watt charger included out of the box. That's going to get you from around 0 to 60% in just 20 minutes. And once again, I can't emphasize that it's great to have this included out of the box for a price that starts at around £480 for the 128 gigabyte version. And if you do want 256 gigabytes, then that's going to be around £530. Now there's actually a launch offer using my link in the description below, which will give you the Honor Earbuds 3 Pro for free with the purchase of the Honor 70. So do go ahead and check that out. But before we wrap up, I want to check out the software and also show you a couple more Honor products. So the Honor 70 comes with Magic UI 6.1, which is based on Android 12. Now, Magic UI is going to give you some unique features and will work seamlessly across other Honor devices. And a couple of the things I want to show you are Honor Share as well as multi-screen collaboration. So Honor has also just introduced the Honor Pad 8, which is a 12-inch 2K display tablet, which weighs just around 520 grams. It has 8 loudspeakers with high-res audio certification, powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 chipset with 4 or 6 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of storage with an SD card for expansion, and pricing starts at just £270. We've got it here, and I want to show you some of the features and the seamless connectivity between these devices. So firstly, we've got Honor Share, which is going to easily allow you to share files between devices just like that. Now, as convenient as that is, you may have seen something similar before. One thing you may not have seen before is a feature called multi-screen collaboration. So what we can do here on the Pad 8 is we can tap multi-screen collaboration. We can easily connect to the Honor 70, and then we can actually control the Honor 70 with the Pad 8 using this window here. And we can also drag and drop files between devices. So I can just tap this image here, drag it across. Here it is, nice and easy. Now, what's even cooler about multi-screen collaboration is that not only does it work across Honor smartphones and tablets, but it can also work on Honor laptops that are running Windows. So this is the Honor MagicBook 14, which has an aircraft-grade aluminium body, a thickness of just 16.9 millimeters, weighing just 1.54 kgs. It has a 14-inch 2.1K Honor full view display, powered by up to the 12th gen Intel Core i5 12500H processor, with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and 512 gigabytes of storage. Now, as demonstrated here on the Pad 8, you can also do the same with the MagicBook 14. Now, more details about the MagicBook 14 will be revealed at IFA, so stay tuned for that. And that is the Honor 70. What do you guys think about it? Do drop me a comment below. Let me know your thoughts. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, then do smash that like button for me. And if you haven't already, then be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon for more content like this. I'm going to leave some related videos here in the cards. Thanks for watching. This is Saf on Super Saf TV, and I'll see you next time.